Hello guys and welcome to my channel Flames Adventures. In this video I'm going to install the Touratech Case Carriers on my KTM 1290 Super Adventure S. Here are the KTM side carriers with everything out of the package to install them. I ordered them from KTM and they come in stainless steel color, but you can also order them on the Touratech website in black. They are designed for Touratech ZEGA Evo, ZEGA Pro and ZEGA Mundo cases, but I'm gonna use them to carry my Lone Rider Motorbags. Okay, I'm gonna start with the left case carrier. And this is mounted in this position between the footrest to the frame and also under the luggage rack. So I have to remove the top case plate and the luggage carrier plate. I also have to remove this plastic piece and the footrest. Okay, let's start with the KTM top case plate, and I also have a video about the KTM top case, and there should appear a link in the screen now. So my top case plate is removed. Now I'm gonna remove the luggage rack. The next part to remove is this plastic cover. And now the footrest. There's a protection sticker to place on the frame before mounting the carrier. This bracket is coming between the footrest and the frame, and I'm also gonna put a bit of Loctite to the bolts. You can also find the torque settings that I used in the description. Okay, here he is, the left case carrier, and I'm gonna mount the bolts hand tight, and at the end, when everything is in position, I'm gonna tighten all the bolts. Okay, for the right carrier I also gonna remove the plastic cover and the footrest. And again I place the protection sticker on the frame. Before removing the footrest, I have to remove the protection plate on the silencer for easy access to the bolts. And I mount it back with the bracket between the footrest and the frame. And I also used Loctite on the bolts. Now I can mount the right carrier, and I also mount it hand tight. There are two spacers to place before mounting the luggage rack. Once that is done, I can mount my KTM top case carrier plate. After this, I can tighten the older bolts of the side carriers. Now there's one piece left to install, and that's this one that connects the left and right side carrier. There's a plastic insert to place in the tube and also a plastic piece for the bolt. And again I'm gonna mount it hand tight before tightening the bolts. And it's the same on the right side, a plastic insert and a plastic piece for the bolt. Okay, now we're gonna tighten the bolts. Okay, let's take a look at what we've already done. Now I only have to install these plastic stops, and they fit into the tube endings. And they fit here. 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 And here. Now I want to mount the plastic covers, but they no longer fit because of the mounted side carriers. So before placing the plastic covers, I'm gonna cut out the plastic so they fit over the side carriers. And there's already a cutout line on the inside of the plastic cover. I'm gonna use a knife and a Dremel for this job. And here you see the modified cover. I just need to clean up the edge. So the KTM Touratech side carriers are installed, and all of this fits perfectly on the bike. It also gives a finished look with the cutted out plastic covers. So I hope this was a useful video. If you have some time left, check out my channel with other super adventure and outdoor gear content. And of course, it would be nice to join and subscribe Flames Adventures. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you back.